The question of the initial capital required to start trading is one of the most common questions among novice traders. Contrary to popular belief, you don't necessarily need a significant amount of capital to start trading on the stock market. But can you trade without a deposit? Let's find out. While some brokers may offer the option of trading without a deposit, this is often not a feasible option for most traders. Brokers who offer no deposit trading usually have higher spreads and commissions, which can eat away at any potential profits. However, there are still ways to start trading with a small amount of capital. One such option is to use leverage, which allows you to control a larger amount of capital with a smaller deposit. However, leverage also increases the risks of trading and should be used with caution. Another option for trading with a small amount of capital is to start with a micro account. Micro accounts allow you to trade with a small amount of capital and offer lower leverage options, which can help reduce your risk. Ultimately, while it is possible to start trading with a small amount of capital, it is important to remember that trading always carries risks, and you should never trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. It is also important to do your research and choose a reputable broker who can offer you the tools and resources you need to succeed trading without investments on a demo account. First of all, it's important to note that the only way to trade on Forex without investments is to trade on a demo account. A demo account is a trading account where you can trade with virtual funds for free and without depositing any initial capital. This type of account allows beginners to learn how to trade, get familiar with the trading platform, use technical analysis indicators, develop and test trading and investment strategies, apply any knowledge gained in the market. A demo account can be useful not only for beginners but also for more experienced traders. In this case, it can be used to test trading on new markets, new instruments, to improve trading strategies or to check and hone skills in new trading methods. If you're also interested in trading on Forex without investments, Admirals offers a free demo account. The trading demo account is perfect for beginner traders or investors as it allows them to practice in real market conditions using virtual funds. Click on the banner below to open your trading demo account today. Trading on Forex without investments, start with just €1. Online brokers offer different conditions for accessing financial markets, as well as different minimum deposits for opening a trading account. For example, Admirals offers traders various types of trading accounts with different conditions. You can open an Invest MT5 account with a minimum deposit of just €1. It should be noted that in addition to the minimum deposit of €1 on the Invest MT5 account, a transaction commission is charged. On the Invest.MT5 account, trading commissions start from $0.02 per share and a minimum of $1 per trade with American stocks. The deposit amount at the broker depends on the type of account chosen. Trading accounts can be different depending on the type of execution. Dealing center. NDD brokers, without dealing. Depending on the minimum deposit. With a minimum deposit. Without a minimum deposit. Depending on the trading platform. MetaTrader 4 trading account. MetaTrader 5 trading account. Trading account on the broker's proprietary platform. To find out how much you need to deposit into your trading account, be sure to study the conditions of the online broker's accounts. As we have noted before, trading on Forex without a deposit is only available on a demo account. Therefore, to have the opportunity to earn money through Forex trading, depositing a certain amount into your account is still necessary. How much to invest in the market is a very individual question, as it depends on various parameters that need to be taken into account. For example, you can start with the amount of money you need to live on. For a trader to live off their trading income, they should be earning about €1,500 per month. However, each individual's needs and desires are unique, and a trader can certainly set a goal to earn much more than this amount. To determine how much to invest considering the desired income, you can use the following formula. C equals RV/RD. Where C is the capital for investment, RV is the desired monthly income, and RD is the realistic monthly return in percentage, from 10 to 15%. Let's use our example of earning approximately €1,500 per month. Assuming that trading is conducted without leverage, with a return of 10 to 15%, our starting capital will be from €12,000 to €18,000. If you choose to trade with leverage, you will need much less money. For example, with a 130 leverage, you will only need €400 to €600 to trade the same volume of positions as with 12 to €18,000. As you can see, there is no talk here of a minimum deposit of €1 or even €100 required when opening an account. Fortunately, there are several ways to increase the funds you invest in trading without any additional costs on your part. Let's explore them. By the way, if you want to continue learning about financial markets, mastering the basics of trading, technical and fundamental analysis, as well as learn a lot of other useful information, come to our educational webinars, participation in which is absolutely free in Forex trading. There are two types of bonuses that traders can take advantage of: deposit bonuses and no deposit bonuses. A no deposit bonus is a type of bonus that is offered to traders without the need for a deposit. Typically, the size of this bonus is small, ranging from $5 to $50. Traders can use these bonuses to trade on real accounts, which can help them better understand trading conditions. It's worth noting that this type of bonus is not widely available. If you find a broker offering a no deposit bonus, make sure that they are reliable. No deposit bonuses are mainly attractive to novice traders. Instead of practicing on a demo account, some new traders start trading with a no deposit bonus on a real account. However, this can hinder their learning of fundamental trading rules and risk management. Therefore, novice traders should use this type of bonus with caution. There are also various deposit bonuses, one of which is rebates. This is a commission or part of the spread that is returned to the trader's account after a position is closed. In some cases, the return process is quite fast. However, some brokers make payments on a monthly basis. In general, traders should be cautious about deposit bonuses that can reach up to 200% or even 400%. There are many scammers in Forex. Always remember to choose a reliable and regulated broker, not the most attractive bonus.